After weeks of non-stop leaks, retail box sightings, and accidental early purchases, Insta360 has finally dropped its very first official teaser for the Insta360 X6. While it's only a quick 40-second preview, it quietly confirms several of our most anticipated upgrades and locks in an official global launch date of August 12th. Let's break down exactly what Insta360 is bringing to the table and why this generation could change the 360 camera game. The biggest confirmation in the teaser revolves around the imaging system. Insta360 is officially bringing 1-inch equivalent imaging to the X6. Square sensor architecture. Similar to DJI's approach, the X6 utilizes custom square sensor formatting that optimizes the active area for dual-lens stitching without unnecessarily expanding the camera's physical body. Conquering low light. Traditionally, 360 cameras suffer drastically once the sun goes down. The larger square sensor architecture captures significantly more light natively, drastically reducing noise during evening shoots, indoor events, and night cityscapes. Pairing that upgraded hardware are two massive processing powerhouses. Pure Video Mode. Moving beyond a simple firmware trick, Pure Video combines the larger sensor framework with advanced image processing to suppress noise and retain fine details in dim lighting. Dedicated AI Pro Chip. A brand new custom processor handles heavy-duty computational tasks in real time, accelerating stitch quality, HDR dynamic range, smart subject tracking, and overall battery efficiency. Hidden deeper within the teaser and prior regulatory leaks are a few extra gems for creative professionals. 10-bit color support. Teased through vibrant color gradients. 10-bit recording gives color graders significantly more flexibility when matching footage or pushing cinematic looks. Invisible Dive Case Pro integration. Front and center underwater scenes confirm that Insta360 is doubling down on scuba and aquatic creators, making tricky underwater stitching smoother than ever. August 12th launch. Pre-orders and review embargoes lift on August 12th, with 5 more teasers scheduled to drop before the official reveal. While DJI remains completely silent despite certification leaks pointing to their own upcoming 360 entries, Insta360 is firmly controlling the narrative, building hype day by day. If Insta360 has truly solved the historical low-light limitation while boosting processing power and color depth, the X6 could easily be the most substantial leap the X series has taken in years. Which confirmed feature has you most excited? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next breakdown.